How to cancel order in Foodpanda app. So if you want to cancel an order from the Foodpanda application, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Foodpanda application, or you can go with your foodpanda.com website. Now, once you're here under the Foodpanda, if you've placed an order and if you want to cancel that order, then what you can do is just simply go with help, which will be on the upper left side of your screen. Or you can just go with your profile and then you can tap on the help center. Under the help center, you may have cancel order option. You can simply tap on cancel order or just tap on the get help with my orders. And here you will have your upcoming orders, right? So if you have ordered something, then on the right side of your screen, you will have an option to cancel the order. You can simply tap on cancel order and choose a reason why you would like to cancel your order and then click on confirm button. After that, click on the yes option and then press the close button. And in this way, you will be able to cancel your order in your Foodpanda. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.